らっしゃいませ。こんにちは。使ってください。
ありがとうございます。
揚げギャグです。
カードをお取りください。いらっしゃいませ。
あ、잠깐만. 뉴토. スアメリカノのショートサイズでお願いします。はい。
애기가 진짜 많네.
この人気ナンバー、これをそばで、2つ目がこのもちチーズに広島ネギを飲み物はジンジャーハイボールと生中華。
おじいのせる仮にとチーズかうどんなんて請求して
귀여워.きなこキプはい、きなこキプ2つはい。
will be good for the overflow. Okay, you can see it in Isosa, and Isosa will send you another. Yeah, after you a little bit like this. Situation.
No, because we would like to buy.
이거 먼저 먹는 건가? 찐해. 살짝? 잘 먹겠습니다.
you know that I used to run away with you? Surf clouds, baby, yes, I rode the waves with you. New city, else I made the day with you. Have we moved on, can't stop dreaming about you. Did you know that I used to stay outside with you? Late nights when I couldn't get my eyes off you. Think twice, take another piece of pie from you. Then we get inside, take a long while with you. I just want you out of my head, even though I kinda like it how you said if there's some beats in the dark and a chocolate we share. Can't you tell that I care? I don't wanna be complicated, but I think you should know how you made me hate myself back then. I stood by your side back then. Yeah, we moving nowhere, but lost at sea with unspoken things.